Lester Makipig.
And I'm Farian.
Yes, from CSU, anong campus?
Andrews Campus.
Andrews. Actually, Andrews din ako. Yes.
Oh, another information. Mag-take two.
Yes.
First question po namin is yung beach. Ito po yung first question. Bakit at ano ang nag-udyok o nagtulak sa inyo na magsimulang magnegosyo?
Yes. Very good question. Take it for the joke lang. For the, kung bakit nag-start yung, yung construction, yung mismong business solely ba? Sa akin kasi, as my mindset is, and background ng family is business talaga. So, parang namulat din ako with the business
May na po.
firms, yes.
May experience na. So, why did you start it po?
Yes. To start yung hindi siya agad nag-start for construction. In my starting point, dati ako sa real estate business. Real estate employee, which is consultant ako ng mga nagano ng mga lupa, ganun. Here in Tugigaraw, locally lang naman. So about 3 years in the making. Then after that, na-realize ko na parang partner siya with real estate and construction. And good thing naman, yung tito ko is parang municipal engineer before. And nag-early retirement siya. That's why we start a construction firm.
Ano ang misyon ng inyong negosyo mula noon hanggang ngayon, sir?
Mission, okay. Ang mission naman ng North Valley Construction is to provide homes for the middle class personnel or family here in North Luzon, especially dito sa area natin, sa Region 2. Yun yung pinaka-mission.
Sir, what advice would you give to someone who was just starting their own business?
Okay. Ang first advice ko bago magsimula, you need first study or kung ano yung pinakahilig ninyo to start the business. Yun yung ipo-pursue nyo. And of course, do not start on a very large capital and do not start in sa non-calculated risk, parang ganun. So, first thing to do dapat is to study every what do you call this? Every aspect dun sa business na papasukan niyo.
How do you deal with the fear and doubt, sir?
Okay, fear and doubt about the business.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For the fear and doubt naman, siguro you need, lahat ng business kasi is mayroong what do you call this? Bad sides or parang ganyan, downside natin. Lahat. So, sabi nga nila kung madali lang ang business, ibig sabihin, parang lahat na ng tao is mag-business. So, how do you face it? Gawin lang yung pinaka-best for that kind of fear or for that kind of doubt. And do not, huwag kayong matakot magkaroon ng mistakes. Because if mistakes happen, you will learn from it. Yes. Ganun sa business talaga.
Where do you see your business 5 years from now or 10 years from now?
Yes. For the vision, actually, since namin, masyado ba mabilis?
Hindi po.
Okay lang. Sige. For the, 5 to 10 years, actually, yun yung vision ng office. And running yung office kasi ng, magpa 5 years pa lang. So, at that kind of point, we would like to see the office or the North Valley Construction to branch out in other region and also to para mas makilala siya in other region and in other part of country and part of the Philippines lang, and also mas makapag-provide ng more house and commercials for the families.
So how do you see yourself? How do you see your business from the way you started until now po? Like,
Ah,
ang
yes.
technical.
Actually, yes. Before we start kasi, it is pandemic era.
What year, sir? Around
2020 actually. So nag-start yung the name is February 2020. And you know naman ang lockdown is March 2020. So kung i-compare mo siya to the struggles, very kumbaga ito yung starting point. From now nakikita ko naman na very progressive and very yung business. Kumbaga siguro sa capital or sa number of clients, ganun. Mas marami. Ganun siya.
Sir, what is the hardest part of being an entrepreneur?
Yes. Good question din. Being an entrepreneur talaga, ang pinakamahirap dyan is how to handle clients, how to handle, what do you call this? Yung parang rejections. Yan. Actually, marami akong mga kaibigan na din na due to rejections, dun sila na down. Yes, nalulusog, tama yun. Nalulusog to continue the business. Of course, rejections and some criticisms is a part of the business. Once na parang ni-resist mo yung mga ganun, and you don't embrace or you don't, yung tawag dito? Accept. And of course, you need din na you need to do actions from that, di ba? Kunwari, for small restaurants lang, parang ganun, may nagsabing ganito yung, hindi ba masyado maalat timpla nyo? Parang ganun. So, you need to do some actions
Yes,
there.
sir. You need to innovate.
Innovate, tama. Ganun.
Sir, what is the hardest part?
Agreed. Sino ba?
Number nine.
Number 9.
What's your favorite part of being an entrepreneur?
Favorite, okay. Actually, to be honest guys, business versus to the very happy ang entrepreneur, yes. And sorry, ulit yung question? Yung
Yung favorite part po
Favorite
of being,
part.
being a entrepreneur.
Or ano po yung pinaka
Gusto
mas
niyong gawin?
nagustuhan niyo?
Challenges.
Ay.
And of course, meron nga yung kasabihan na build making your time from almost 24 hours is building a fortune than making 9 to 5 hours job is building a survival parang ganun. So yung nilulook forward ko sa pagiging entrepreneur is to provide what they call this impact from the from the society. Ganun siya. Parang you have something to contribute. Parang yun yung nagiging tingin kong good part in being entrepreneur.
Sir, what qualities do you think entrepreneurs should possess?
Okay. Number 1 dyan, of course, yung pagiging malakas yung loob. Yes. Isa rin dyan is well knowledgeable or intelligent. Yun nga yung sinasabing diskarte ba or diploma. So we need rin also yung yung knowledge, yung of course pagiging hardworking. Kasi yung sa business side or yung pagiging entrepreneur, hindi pwedeng yung parang hindi ka pwedeng tamarin. Kasi pag once na tinamad ka, parang naging side ka na ng comfort zone. Diyan mawawala yung yung eagerness na to pursue yung business. Ganun siya.
Sir, what have been some of your biggest learning experiences in running a business?
Okay. You mean biggest
Learning experiences.
learning experience? Dito kasi since construction firm, and it is a very risky business. Very rich siya. So, isa sa learning experience ko is talaga, yung dapat i-handle mo na mabuti ang clients and also provide the best quality na work na kaya ninyong ibigay for that kind of project. Parang ganun siya. also not only in construction firm, ganun din sa ibang business. Always provide your best quality of service. Always provide the best kind of product, ganun. And of course, yung experience them to your company. Parang ganun. Yun yung pinaka-best na masabi.
At what point did you look at your business and consider it as a success po?
Sorry, come again.
At what point did you look at your business and consider it a success po?
Okay, siguro masasabi ko lang na successful na yung office. Later on, if everything is systematized na, and siguro ang employees is more than 100, and of course, yung mga ang tawag dito, yung mga customers or clients are very satisfied in each project na pinaprovide natin, which is happening naman right now. But the numbers is low pa sa very gusto maging target na hundreds, mga ganun.
As
Ganun
of
siya.
now po, sir, ilan na po ba ang clients po as of now?
Yung ongoing namin ngayon na constructions is we have almost 10 clients in the making. Then we have pending pa na more than 10 naman. Ganun siya.
So,
So,
ilan na po ang na-publish mo as of now na
Ana-
nagawang construction, sir?
yes, as of the record, we have mga 45 from the from
Around
this
together lang po ba siya? Or
overall na siya. So we have a nearby din, Tugigaraos. Son of it is Isabela, ganun. Different kinds of project na yun. So kung compute natin, kung let's say 5 years over 45, that's 9 projects a year. But the cost or yung project parang kung how much siya is magkakaiba.
nasa client?
So may malaki, meron ring maliliit na project, ganun siya.
Are you planning ba, sir, to, di ba around sa valley lang siya, Cagayan Valley? Are you planning sa Ibisayas?
Yes, later on. Nasa isang rin yun, vision din ng office.
So,
So hopefully,
mag-open sa other branch dito rin po.
yes, oo. Opening sa other regions.
So, how did you come up with the name North Valley
Valley.
Construction?
Yes. Siguro may konting point din siya. So, nung ginagawa ko lang yung logo, that is, lang. So, yung name na North is, as you can, geographical, natin is North.
North Luzon.
And the valley is our, dito, sa Cagayan Valley. So, from the word na North Valley, it's parang mabilis lang siyang matandaan na taga-norte, and of course, yung ang tawag dito, yung name natin here in North talaga is talagang valley tayo dito.
Then, how do you ensure safety on a construction site, sir?
Yes. Of course, sa isang site, meron tayong inaanong safety officer talaga. Aside from the, andyan naman yung mga architects, of course, yung mga supervisors, ganun. So, isa dun sa yun na nga, isa yan sa inaano ko sa site is wear PPE. It should be, lalo na on the structural stage, wearing PPEs, and of course, mga safety measures sa site.
Sir, I don't know if, sasagutin niyo po to, sir, pero how much is your profit per project?
Ano ba siya option na? Joke lang. Sige, in gross, siguro yearly, pwede ba sa'yo? BIR ba kayo? Joke lang. So sa yearly, ng project, siguro,
Ganito na lang po, umaabot po ba siya ng 6 digits or more?
more siya actually. So gross tayo ha, gross.
Sige.
I should say gross kasi ganito sa construction,
Hindi lahat.
hindi lahat ng project is even ang profit. Ganun siya. In any kind of construction, any kind of construction firm, meron pa nga dyan, lugi talaga. So we cannot call a project na profitable. And hindi lahat ng project is malaki ang profit. Ganun. But to give you a number lang, the gross na pumapasok ng project, siguro around 10 to 15 million. Yun yung gross yun ha? Gross yun. So, kayo na bahala kung
So, answer. What are the biggest challenges that you have faced so far?
Okay. Isang challenges na na-face ko noon before, that is way back last year, nagkaroon kami ng problem with one client lang. But the problem side naman is yung client is yung mahirap din kausapin and change every time nag-change yung mind niya. In construction kasi,
Pwede sila.
kung ano yung naiplano, mga ganun. We need to, not to pursue, but we can revise. But yung mga revisions na gusto ng mga client is mahirap. Parang, it's already done about 70%. Gusto niya, may ibang part na tatanggalin, which is structural. So, as part of the contractor, you gave suggestions, mga ganun. So, ang hirap nun sa side namin. Very stressful yung project na yun. And we didn't, of course, yun pa rin, you should not give up on every kind. So, yung span ng project na let's say 8 months lang, tumagal siya ng more than a year. So, at the side din, bad side din nun, hindi siya profitable na project. So, yung, of course, naglabas ka na rin ng mga tag dito, expenses from that. So, as a contractor, very frustrating yun. And of course, you learn something from it din talaga.
Sir, paano niyo po siya na-overcome?
In-overcome lang namin siya siguro by facing and finishing the project talaga.
Sir, ito po yung what do you think are the key factors to a success on construction projects?
Key factor. Ayun. First is management. Management. Of course, cost monitoring. Isa dyan is manpower monitoring. And siguro lastly is materials monitoring. Yan.
What advice would you give to someone interested in entering the construction industry?
Okay. Ay, sorry, come again.
What advice po yung pwede niyong ibigay sa mga nagbabalak na pumasok sa
Construction company.
Okay. Siguro ang may bibigay ko lang is, ayun, katulad na banggit ko, first thing is to study first the construction industry before pumasok. And of course, you need some capital din to start. And most importantly, you should have a technical personnel. I mean, meron kang technical side. If you're not a technical person like engineer or architect, you have to provide something, someone. And of course, bago sila pumasok ng construction industry, gawa mo na sila ng background check in the past or kakilala nila na construction.
Sir,
Sige.
for the last question, sir. Ay,
Number 17 naman.
How do you advertise your business po?
Advertise? Okay. Mostly, kung siguro nakita nyo kami through Facebook. That's the number one. And of course, we have the referrals. We nagsasabi kami sa past client na pwede nyo po ba kami recommend, yes. And number 3 siguro is yung through yung pa rin, parang ang tawag din, yung nag-aano tayo with group organization, pumapasok with the group organization, then we introduce yung firm. Yeah.
Sir, maaari mo po bang tukuyin kung ano po ang tunay na definition ng success?
Success. Sige. Ano ba to? In business side or ano? Kasi magkaiba to eh.
Ay, yung construction field.
Sa construction. Success talaga sa construction field is, ayun, yung yung satisfied ang customer. That's the number one. And of course, satisfied ang mga employees and making sure na profitable yung business. Yan. Number one dyan always satisfied the customer or client.
Sir, tanong ko lang po kung may sariling family di ba kayo?
Ako?
Yes po.
Wala.
Wala? Single, sir?
Single.
Personal info.
Yes.
Wala
Sige.
po po. Ang
Talaga
how
sa
old
bayo,
na po
ah.
kayo, sir?
Yes.
How old?
Ako is 28. 28.
From ano po kayo? From
Yes. Saan nakatira?
Yes, sir.
Currently, I'm living sa Carig Sur, Tuguegarao City. Sa Carig.
Ano po yung questions?
Sir, may tanong ko lang sir kung may ganun, may kinalaman ba yung mga interest or hobbies mo dito sa pagpasok sa construction
Construction.
business?
Yes,
Parang
yes.
dream.
Medyo related siya sa hobbies.
So, yes po.
Yes. Actually, marketing kasi ako. Kaya,
Business.
So, business din. And yun, dahil nga sa real estate ako before, parang medyo connected siya or parang magkapatid yan.
So, nag-graduate po kayo ng CSU Andres din po, sir?
Yes, I'm a 2017 graduate.
2017.
Sibea. Sa Sibea ako.
What
Ay.
course, sir?
Business administration, major in marketing. Yes. Sang ano kayo, department?
College of Teacher Education po.
Sa ano kayo? Andiyan pa ba Sir Suyu? Wala.
Meron
Andyan
po,
pa?
pero iba siguro yung yung tinuturo.
Hindi na po ata kami hawak, sir.
Coverage ng... Actually po, ito pong narrative report namin is dahil po siya sa major namin, which is the microeconomics about industries.
Yes. Anong year nyo na pala?
First year po, sir.
First year pa lang ba?
Yes po.
Nako, ganyan na yung level ng mga ano ninyo ha. Masyadong advanced yata. Parang naggaganyan kami, third year na yata nun. First year pa lang? First sem, second sem?
First sem.
First sem, tignan nyo naman. Masyado kayo pinapahirapan ng mga prof nyo ha. At may effort talaga
kayo. Baka
kayo.
kilala niyo siya, si Sir
Romeo.
Romeo Clemente.
Yes, I know yung apelyido. Siguro, pag makita ko siya by face, ma-recognize ko siya. Pero syempre, magkaibang department.
May I know po kung ano pong name ng parents? May siblings po ba kayo?
Yes, meron. Sige, i-write down na lang ba?
Some info na lang po.
Sa father is, yun din, Mario Balacqua. Kailangan nyo yung middle name?
No, not po.
Ah,
Just the name.
Then, mother is Nelda Balacqua. Siblings is Precious Ann.
Ilan po kayo, sir?
Magkakapatid. Tatlo, ako yung bunso. Then, Nel Nari, yung isa. So, yun lang yung family. Nel Nari.
Any questions kayo?
Sige. Do you have any
We have
questions?
5 minutes. Wala na?
Personal or ano?
Ay, documentation.
Yes. So, di ba kama magtitake tayo ng ano? Gusto niyo bang kasali kayo lahat?
Opo.
Sige, papasoy lang tayo kay tayo. Sa shop.
Sure na lang po.
Okay. Papasa niyo ba talaga to?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Here. May ebidensya.
Tayo na lang po kami. Kayo na lang.
Di, lang. Kayo na lang po. Ako yung tatayo. Sige,
Nag-adjust pa si sir.
Okay lang. Sige.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Sige. Ay,